Okay, due to my lack of time to create videos, so I'll just do a very quick technical analysis for some of the counters that I have. So Rivian, I already managed to sort everything already last Friday. So this is for Futu. So remember when I said about going sideways into it, there you go. You see, look at my beautiful chart. So it's consolidating. This is called a consolidation zone. A box up probably may go on for some time. From what I see, this is a small squeeze, so there might be some price movement soon. Okay, MACD wise, you can see it's still going green, so I would think that it's poised to go up when it goes to a bulge like this. Hopefully it will be within this zone. So right now $58, we are betting for it to go up to $71. So is it a good buy? Yes, it can try buying it right now. Let us go to 5 days so that we can take a look at the volume. Look at this. Look at this, people. This is on the end of the 5th day, and there's a huge buy up here. Probably this buy up is done by Futu themselves. It's about order probably by some institution or by Futu themselves, because they have a 300 million USD buyback by the end of the year, right? So it's so dirt cheap right now. If I'm them, possibly I will buy back. And if let's say I already know that discussion with Chinese government is going well, I would buy a lot of my own shares back, and probably by the end of the year we could see it reach up above $83. We still need a while for it to hit the MA30, so hopefully pretty soon, because it's going down all the way here. So by the time, I think on the 3 more days, that means before the end of this week, it should hit the MA30 already, and might be good for us, because once he hits the MA30, goes above the MA30, it's supposed to go back up again. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart is still bouncing towards MA120. MACD wise, of course, is still pretty bad, but we can see it stabilizing. Alright, so hopefully it'll go up pretty soon. So that's the end of what I have for Futu. So remember to subscribe if you like your content, and please click on the like so that more people can see my video. Thank you.